in right away. Apex Court seeks a report from the central government on steps being taken for the relief of migrant workers who have been hit by the lockdown and are stranded on the roads. The CJI, while hearing a petition on the matter, said that the court does not want to complicate things by interfering into what the government is already doing. My colleague Meenakshi Bhanja joining me on the phone line. So Meenakshi, at this point, the Supreme Court has made a very measured statement, not directly wanting to intervene, but at the same time seeking some sort of a report on what are the measures taken by the central government to ensure protection for the daily wage earners. Over to you for details on this, please.
Well, that's right, Afrida. You see, we are seeing a lot of action on this front since yesterday. Remember, earlier we had seen the union government issue a slew of directions to all the states of the union to comply with, which included directions about sealing of the borders and completely ensuring that no migrant movement is permitted. That apart, the union government had also issued in those slew of directions as to how the rent and other such, hardships that the migrants are likely to be encountering in their respective areas of residences should be looked after by that particular area or the employer of the migrant. Only goods should be allowed to move. And subsequently, we saw also a crackdown that happened later yesterday evening when 4 officials of the Delhi government were proceeded against by the MHA. So in that backdrop, today the solicitor informed the Supreme Court as to how there are several steps that are being taken by the central government and also the various state governments, to which we heard this observation from Honorable Chief Justice of India as to how if the centre and the states are doing enough, then the Supreme Court does not want to complicate the issue furthermore. With this, the Supreme Court has sought a report from the union government, which will be submitted by way of an affidavit, and the matter is slated for hearing next tomorrow. And remember, all this is happening via video conferencing.
All right. Yes, all this is happening via video conferencing. The courts are active and at the same time, of course, seeking the centre to furnish a report on the steps taken for the interest of the migrant workers. Thanks, Meenakshi, for joining us with your inputs on this.